That's why I'm so sick of these bitches. I've been like you around, you won't think something like that. You won't think something.
Put your minions on the backside by the queen. Hopefully they go in for the town hall.
I can't get, there's no way. They're not gonna get it.
So what, do you want to try scrapping a 50?
Look at this idiot.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. Oh.
The cat from next door is here. Go Pikachu charge. Pikachu, thunder attack.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Come on.
Okay.
No.
Say love you, King.
Get that shovel.
What's she doing? I don't know. She's
I wish I knew to America. Look
at that.
like this.
Oh. Yeah.
За мной зеленая. Она закрыта для посетителей. Там
She's a dick.
You know, Sharon, it's every day. It's sweep this, sweep that. You know, but I'm much more than a God damn it. I'm much more than a sweeper, Sharon. I mean, look at me. I'm a raccoon. I don't just give me some of that cat food.
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься? Oh, didn't even. Wow. Jack fears no. Ding dong.
Don't hit the fucking gun. You fuck. I'm gonna kill you.
To get those vehicles and get the passengers out of there, or if someone is stranded by water, the National Guard could work coordinated with me.
Onde é que tu vai com essa calcinha?
Like, I can't walk away or he's just gonna attack me.
Meu Deus, que fofo! Meu Deus! Chega, chega! Chega! Meu Deus, cachorro, você é muito brincalhão! Meu Deus! What are you doing?
Can you, for once in your life, respect my privacy? You better delete that footage.
Hop in and just smack the lip. Whoop! Drop down. Snap. Ah!
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
Let's see.
Whoa! Whoa! Are you? Oh my god! Behind every mentally ill woman is a cat following her to the bathroom. Some mango. Oh. I was not expecting that. Oh, you like mango. No, it's gonna go.
Ay. ใส่ทองขับแว้นปะแปนดึงสแกร่งโว้ย
We need to put this on a poster. You know how like a lot of words. Like
mega zoomies.
Did you find the tub, huh? Did you find it?
Oh. Hey! Ah! What are you doing?
Princess, come here. Come here. Come on.
Mental health piece, the background check.
Why is this cat fucking spreading her legs to my man's? She's about to get close your legs to married men.
Good God, trumpet, don't it?
Ooh.
So there's no.
No, they're from mom. No, you asshole. No.
Come on. Come on. Go on, get it.
This filter shows if your cats are predators or prey.
No, you get out.